Oh yeah! Oh yeah! What could this mean? What could this mean? Well, we're gonna go in and check out the Hastings Museum and see what's in store here. Oh yeah! The entire reason why we even found about this museum is right here. Hastings, Nebraska is the birthplace of Kool-Aid. So let's discover the dream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is why we are here. The Kool-Aid Museum. Downtown Hastings is where this happened at. You can get all the different flavors of Kool-Aid and some tang that you need. And we can vote for your favorite flavor by putting money the founder of Kool-Aid right there for this young man.
And a household icon in 1975.
Oh yeah.
So it became a household name.
A household name. Do you remember your first time ever having Kool-Aid in your mouth?
Nobody just did the other day. I bought 40 packets the other day.
40 packets. I mean, look at these shirts. Kool-Aid turns 30 in 2005. Now see, to me, it's hard to believe that, oh yeah. Oh yeah. The 1975 Kool-Aid, all the way up to the 1990 Kool-Aid guy. You cannot get better than this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1982 Rubik's Cube with Kool-Aid on it. It used to be the thing to do to own a Rubik's Cube back in the day. I've never had Kool-Aid bubblegum before. I've seen these Cool Pops.
Come on guys, come over here.
Never seen Kool-Aid in the can. I've seen these jammers. Kool-Aid stand.
Come here. Here's a butter. Kool-Aid out.
Later.
General Foods, I'm just gonna go in here. Back when I was a kid, I used to make stands like this. My dad would used to build them everywhere, and I used to make Kool-Aid stands. And what I'd do is do it like that, pour it in, but I would sell them more for a nickel. It would always be 50 cents to $1 back in the day. And that's how I made my first million. People don't believe it, but it's true. We'll look at some of this extra Kool-Aid stuff real quick. My battery's getting ready to die. I'm gonna have to go to the car. The 1960s. Kool-Aid around the world. They really love their Kool-Aid. You think you had what?
Little Kool-Aid dishes.
Did you ever make one of them?
I had a snow cone machine, yes. I never had a Kool-Aid Barbie.
Even Kool-Aid had trolls.
Dad, I never had a Kool-Aid Barbie.
I'm sorry.
Every other Barbie, but I remember having a Kool-Aid one. I think actually I had that snow cone machine.
Here's the Kool-Aid I grew up with. Well, sort of. In case you were ever wondering, here is the Kool-Aid Man's stats. Oh yeah, he's 6 feet tall, 3.6 inches thick glass, 607 gallons, 11,000 pounds when he's full. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He even put himself down right here. Good for him. Oh yeah. Nice place. Very nice place. Well, you can't say the Mad No Matter doesn't go the extra mile. Here we are at the actual location of the birthplace of Kool-Aid. Right here. Down in downtown, well, sort of downtown Hastings. To be 100% honest, I'm not quite sure if this is the exact location, but this is what I was told on the internet, and you gotta believe everything the internet says these days. So let's look at more of the history here as we glance by. Uh-oh, in 1931, he moved the company to Chicago in 1953. A dove is cooing in the background. If you're ever wondering what's happening in Hastings, now you know. I figured while I'm here, let's get a little bit more of this Hastings area. Over there you can tell there's an old sign on the wall. Are they asking for helps or whelps? Old barber shop right there on 1st Street. Starting to need a shave and a haircut. Do you?